What's up, everyone? It is your boy, the Food Review Guy. Today, a Whopper. Let's get a quick money shot on that. Yeah, so today we're on the boat, just chilling in the driveway. Thought I might eat something. We're doing some work out here. I've been hungry. So yeah, we got the Whopper deal for $10. It's 2 burgers, 2 drinks, and 2 fries. That's a pretty good deal for me for $10. And if you don't think that's a good buck, at Burger King, normal 2 Whoppers is $12. So you're saving a couple bucks here. Anyways, let's dive right in. Get that first bite going. Top notch, ladies and gentlemen. Top notch. Alright, so I'm gonna have a couple more bites of that. And then I'll come back here with you, finish the burger. Now I'll give you a little tour of the boat. What's up, everyone? We're back. So after taking a couple bites of this thing, I realize I probably shouldn't do the boat tour because my dog wants me and he's whimpering and whining right now. So we're just gonna have this burger. Tell you what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and then have a review on it. I'll sign off quite soon. Alright. Sonny. Where's the next one? Alright, so out of that burger, I gave it about 4.9 out of 5 stars. The reason why is because I would say you packed just a little more meat on that patty, and I'm a big meat guy for that. Yeah, I like the way the vegetables taste. You don't hear that very often coming from me. But also another dislike is I don't know what that sauce is. The little white sauce. It might be mayonnaise. I don't know. Yeah, overall it's a good burger for a good price too. And yeah, that's about it about the Whopper. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn your notification on. Appreciate it. Have a good day. What's up, everyone? So as usual, I'm usually in the house range for when I do my videos, but today I was on the boat, and I just wanted to let you guys know if you want to see me anywhere else, I can be in my backyard, I can be in someone else's room, I can be downstairs in my basement. I have a sauna, pool table. I can do a couple of reviews on those. Yeah, just want to let you guys know if you want to leave a comment for if you want me to go anywhere. That's always a possibility. And yeah, that should be about it for now. Have a good day, everyone.